Here's the app called AI Emoji Swipemoji. So AI Emoji transforms your moods and ideas into personalized aesthetic emojis, offering endless creativity, seamless sharing, and a touch of fun to every conversations. So mood to emoji AI creation, share your mood, a simple prompt, and let our AI design a custom emoji that captures it perfectly. Swipe to build your collection, smart caption and combo suggestions, seamless emoji sharing everywhere, instant sharing made easy, creating freedom in every swipe, daily inspiration designed for aesthetic lovers. So yeah, now here you have the app. So now the app is loading. Save or delete emojis, generate emojis from any prompt, share your emoji with everyone. And then create and collect unique AI emoji in here. So yeah, you can then just see it in here. Light, pink. So this is the idea of the emoji. And then yeah, you can just copy it. And then there are combos. But then yeah, enter your image prompt. You can see random emojis being generated literally. For example, and just enter the prompt and it will start generating emoji for you. So something like that you can regenerate, then you can have it in here. You can copy, share, save to gallery. You can just share it, assign to contact, and then just share it to your apps, save to gallery. And that's the idea. Super easy app to use. And then you just have collections and that's it. And then there's ads. Really, very simplistic app. You don't have anything like what you don't need, and then you just save it in here. And yeah, so that's the idea. So here you can just delete it, or you can then just save it, and then it will be saved to your gallery. So yeah, that's about that.